I've always been taught that if it isn't broke, don't try and fix it. That's what you get with Brother. It's the perfect solution to everything that we wanted. And with Whitehouse Machine Tools being behind us as well, with that service, with that support, being at the end of the line for if we needed an engineering query or thinking about changing a tool or speeds and feeds, that was always there. So for us, that initial investment was key. We had to get it right because that would be putting us on a trajectory for the future. When I think about the issues that were in front of us before we chose Speedio, it was really down to the products that we had to manufacture. So we'd only really been in a research and development phase of prototyping calipers for the motorcycle marketplace. But what we really wanted was a machine that was fast. That was the biggest thing for us. We needed the speed for the parts to come off the machine finished. So we were looking at the Speedios that were the quickest that we could see from part to part coming off the machine, which was so important to us because we needed the throughput of products to the consumer. But with Brother, we got additional benefits that you don't really see. So for example, their machines are in a very small footprint and space is at a premium these days, and it meant that we could fit a lot more machines into our areas. The main issue that we've got is our location. So we're out in the Devon countryside, which means we're right at the very end of an electricity supply. So the power consumption was of major importance to us. If, for example, we were using 40 taper machines, we would probably be able to have about 3 or 4 running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But what Brother gave us is the opportunity really to have 8 machines running, 3 of which are all robot loaded. So we get that full 24/7. Now the amount of extra additional machining hours that gives to a company is colossal, and it's made the difference to us. It was the difference between selling 50 products in a month and 100 products in a month. We had the opportunity to sell in thousands, but we just needed the machinery to be able to offer us those amount of parts. And with Brother, we've got that. Our investment will continue with Brother and with Whitehouse Machine Tools because we found the right people for us, knowing that Brother is behind us and Whitehouse Machine Tools are behind us. So I can pick up a phone, send an email, ask them a question. What about this? Ask for servicing. Have a service in place with them so every 12 months they come down and they service our full fleet of Brothers. It's knowing that you've got that additional part of your company. So you've got your own service department in-house, as it were. That's the speed with which they react. It's been a brilliant, brilliant relationship, and long may it continue.